When your design has holes of different sizes, a quick way to select holes of the same size. Use the Select tool to select a hole. Click it. The number is written as 0.01. Click OK, and the software will select all holes of the same size. Set the color of the hole in color. Holes of different sizes must be set in different colors. Use the same method to set all the hole colors. Note: for holes of one size, use one color. Different holes are quickly selected and set with different colors. Thanks for watching.